To retrieve the properties of group object, create a new HTTP request, get groups. Set the URL to https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/group/group id. To find the object ID of group, navigate to portal.azure.com, go to groups and select object ID of the group. Replace group ID in the URL with the object ID. In the request header, ensure to include authorization field populated with the barrier token. If you are unsure how to generate a new token, refer to the video titled How to Generate Access Token in Azure Entra ID using the Graph API, linked in the video description below. Click the Send button to execute it. This operation returns a subset of default properties associated with the specific group. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials.